The slow blinking red light on your Spectrum router indicates a problem that needs immediate attention. It generally means your router isn't properly connected to the internet or is experiencing a hardware issue. This disrupts your internet service, impacting everything from browsing to streaming. Several factors cause this, including internet connectivity failure, such as signal loss, damaged cables, or ISP outages. Hardware or firmware glitches like overheating, power surges, or outdated software. And environmental factors, such as interference from nearby devices or extreme temperatures. Spectrum's official documentation confirms this light means no internet or hardware error. Knowing this is the first step to resolving the problem and getting your internet back up and running. First, power cycle your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Next, check and reseat all cables, including coaxial and Ethernet, to ensure they are securely connected. If cycling doesn't work, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. You can also update your router's firmware through the Spectrum app or web portal. If none of these steps work, contact Spectrum support immediately via their helpline at 1-800-892-4357 or their app. They can dispatch a technician for on-site assistance or router replacement if needed. Preventive measures include placing your router in a ventilated area and avoiding power overloads to minimize future LED errors.